You know what's crazy? That race car spelled backwards is race car? No, it's that cotton candy was invented by a dentist? No, it's that the universe is so big yet we're the only life we know of? No, wait, that was actually kind of on the right track. I knew it. Okay, whatever dude, get out of here, I'm trying to make a video. Alright, whatever bro, your loss. Okay, now that he's gone, welcome back to Hypotheticals everyone. Today, we're talking about aliens, and look at that, I just found this dope ass beanie. Hope you're paying attention now. Let's jump in. I don't know if you've noticed, but space is big, really big. Current estimates suggest that the universe is about 93 billion light years across, which, as any great mathematician would know, is bigger than 6. That's freaking huge, bro. Because it's so big, there must be life out there besides us humans, right? Luckily, I'm not the first person to ask this question. Plenty of people have, like Frank Drake, an astronomer and astrophysicist. However, he didn't just come up with this question, he tried to answer it. In 1961, Drake came up with this abomination, which he named the Drake equation. I'm not going to go through what each variable means, but I've linked an article down below if you want to read more about it. Anyways, Drake wanted to use his equation to try and estimate the number of intelligent alien civilizations in the universe. We don't have exact amounts for all the variables used, but we can estimate the numbers. At the end of his calculations, Drake determined that humans are only likely to be unique to the universe if the odds of a civilization developing on a habitable planet are less than 1 in 10 billion trillion. That was a mouthful. In other words, it's very likely that humans are not the only civilization present in the universe, at least according to the Drake equation. Okay, since we know that aliens are probably out there, let's transition to our main question. What if they made contact with Earth? There are two routes we can go down today, one where the aliens that visit are hostile and one where they're peaceful. If hostile aliens visited Earth, we'd all die. Will Smith wouldn't save us like an Independence Day. We'd be screwed. Here's why. If a highly advanced alien race came to Earth, that means they would have far more advanced tech than us. If their goal was to kill all humans, they would succeed in doing so, because their weapons would be far more advanced than ours. Therefore, we all dead. Now to option number 2. They come in peace, like an ET or Arrival. Side note, Arrival is an amazing movie and you really need to watch it. Anyways, this is an unbelievably interesting situation because, of course, we wouldn't know that they were coming to Earth for peace. Like in Arrival, if their spaceships just came out of nowhere, some world leaders may view it as an invasion. Because these aliens wouldn't be very dumb, they'd probably try to send us a message first and then come and visit. By sending a message prior to their arrival, we probably wouldn't try to blow these aliens out of the sky once they arrived. But what would happen next? What's our protocol for first contact with an alien race? To be honest, there really isn't one set in stone, but steps have been planned. In 1950, the US military apparently outlined 7 steps to contact to use if we were to be introduced to an alien race similar in intelligence to humans. According to the steps, we would first start with data gathering and surveillance, then move to quote-unquote covert meetings with the aliens, with the goal to gauge how advanced the aliens' vehicles and weapons are. Even if they came in peace, something like this would be protocol. Regardless of what the aliens were coming for, it would have major impacts on the human race. For one, we could acquire tech from them in exchange for resources, which would only further our advancement as a species. Meeting alien life could also turn us away from issues our planet is facing and look toward the stars, which could be a good or bad thing. We as humans would need to decide who would represent Earth on an intergalactic scale, which could also cause some trouble if some governments refuse to unify. I know what I'm about to say may sound absurd, but what rights would be given to this advanced alien race? How would we as humans treat them if they came in peace? Maybe we'd set up some sort of Earth citizenship system. This could be expanded as we reach further out into the galaxy, but it could work just like Earth, with passports and such for planets instead of countries. Ultimately though, certain beliefs that humans hold could be fundamentally changed, which may just lead to more division than unity. Obviously, aliens won't be visiting us anytime soon, but it's fun to think about, right? No, not really. Dude, get out. Fine, bye. That's all I've got for this hypothetical. If you enjoyed, feel free to like and subscribe. I upload weekly. Follow me on Twitter if you want and leave some video ideas in the comments down below. All of my research links are in the description. I'll be back next week. Thanks for watching.